Hey campers, ready to upgrade your outdoor adventures? Today, we're revealing 10 futuristic camping gadgets you must have in 2025. From solar tech to smart cooking tools, camping will never be the same. These gadgets will change how you camp forever. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with a reliable light source. The Nite Radiant 170 lantern is the perfect companion for any camper. With its 170 lumen brightness, this lantern is perfect for lighting up your campsite. And it even comes with a red light mode to preserve your night vision. Whether you're reading, cooking, or just relaxing, it offers consistent light for all your needs. Without it, you're left fumbling with your old flashlight or a dim lantern. Price: $35, a great value for an all-weather versatile light. Next up is the LuminAID Solar Lantern, an amazing solar-powered inflatable light that's lightweight and compact, perfect for backpacking trips. This lantern inflates to provide bright, reliable light, and you can charge it with the sun during the day. It's waterproof, provides up to 24 hours of light, and weighs almost nothing. Without it, you're searching for batteries or stuck with old-school lights. Price: $30, an essential for those long camping trips. Nothing kills your camping mood faster than running out of battery. The Outxe rugged power bank solar charger is your solution. It combines solar charging with a rugged, durable design that can charge multiple devices at once. This power bank is waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof, ensuring it survives harsh conditions while keeping your devices charged. Without it, you're left powerless and disconnected. Price: $50, a must-have for the modern camper. When it comes to cooking outdoors, the Jetboil flash camping stove is a game-changer. This stove can boil water in under 100 seconds with its fuel-efficient system. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for cooking meals or making coffee. Without it, you're waiting forever to boil water on traditional stoves. Price: $110, a must for campers who need a quick, easy way to cook. If you want the ultimate fire pit for your campsite, look no further than the BioLite FirePit Plus. This innovative fire pit is Bluetooth enabled, meaning you can control the flame intensity directly from your phone. It also doubles as a grill, allowing you to cook your meals while staying warm. Plus, it burns efficiently with minimal smoke, making your camping experience more enjoyable. Without it, you're dealing with a traditional fire pit with no control over smoke or heat. Price: $200, perfect for campers who want an all-in-one fire and grill solution. Clean water is one of the most important things you need on a camping trip. The GSI Outdoors Ultralight Microduo water filter ensures you get safe drinking water from streams and lakes, filtering out bacteria and protozoa. It's lightweight, easy to use, and removes harmful contaminants. Without it, you're stuck with dirty water or unreliable filtration methods. Price: $60, a compact solution for clean water while on the go. Next, the Nomad 10 rugged solar panel ensures you never run out of power during your camping trips. It's compact, efficient, and built to withstand the elements. This panel can charge your devices using the power of the sun, making it a must-have for anyone who camps off the grid. Without it, you may find yourself struggling to stay connected or run out of power for important gadgets. Price: $100. It's the ultimate way to harness solar power during your camping trip. For those camping near water, the Sealline Baja Dry Bag is a lifesaver. It's 100% waterproof, ensuring your gear stays dry no matter the conditions. Whether it's your clothes, electronics, or food, this dry bag can hold all your essentials and keep them safe. Without it, your gear risks getting soaked in the rain or while crossing rivers. Price: $50 to $80, a great investment for any outdoor adventurer. Comfortable sleep during your camping trip is essential, and the Therm-a-Rest NeoAir XTherm sleeping pad ensures you stay warm and cozy no matter the weather. With its R value of 6.9, it's perfect for cold weather camping. The pad is lightweight and packs down small, making it easy to carry. Without it, you'll wake up cold, stiff, and uncomfortable. Price: $200, a worthy investment for a good night's sleep in the wilderness. Finally, let's talk about the Helinox Chair One. This portable camping chair is a true game changer. It's lightweight, compact, and extremely comfortable, allowing you to relax and enjoy the outdoors in comfort. Whether you're sitting around the campfire or enjoying a scenic view, this chair will give you the support you need. Without it, you're stuck sitting on rocks or logs. Price: $100, your ultimate comfort companion on any camping trip. And that's a wrap on our 10 futuristic camping gadgets that every outdoor enthusiast needs in 2025. Whether it's a solar-powered charger, a portable stove, or a comfortable sleeping pad, these gadgets will take your camping experience to the next level. Which one of these do you think you'll need for your next camping trip? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more amazing camping gear recommendations. See you on the next adventure.